In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach or link to a file in OneNote for Windows 10. This feature is incredibly helpful when you want to keep your files organized and accessible without leaving your notes, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and go to the notebook and page where you want your file to appear. Once you're in the right place, move your attention to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. From there, choose the option labeled File. This will open a file browser window, allowing you to navigate through your computer and select the file you want to include. After choosing your file, click Open to proceed. At this stage, you will be given a choice on how you want to include the file in your notes. If you prefer to keep a copy directly inside your notebook, select Attach File. This will place the file as an icon on your page. You can open it any time by simply double-clicking the icon. This approach is ideal if you want everything stored in one place and accessible even without an internet connection. If you would rather not store the file inside your notebook, you can insert a link instead. This is especially useful for large files or files stored in shared locations. To do this, click anywhere on your page or highlight text that you want to turn into a clickable link. Then right-click and choose Link, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K. In the window that appears, you can either paste the file's location or browse your computer to select it. After confirming, the link will be created, and selecting it will open the file from its original location. There is also a faster way to add files. You can drag a file directly from File Explorer and drop it onto your OneNote page. When you do this, you'll be prompted to choose whether to attach the file or insert it as a link, allowing you to decide based on your needs. Choosing between these options depends on how you plan to use your files. Attachments are best for offline access and keeping everything together, while links are better for saving space and working with shared or large files. And that's it. You now know how to attach or link to a file in OneNote for Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.